Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're a, a returning subscriber, thank you. Um, so today is hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. Today is the 30th of January. Where has the month gone? OMG. um, I'm just, this year's going too fast for me. I want to slow down for a little bit. Anyway, as you can see, I went ahead and altered a time card from the Dollar Tree. And because it was sitting on my desk and I wanted to see if I could do it. It's almost 9 inches tall, and it is about 3.5 inches wide. And I'm like, oh my gosh, if I do one of these again, I'm going to do a prima doll because they're just the perfect size for a prima doll, from Julie Nutting. But I didn't. I went vintage like I have been doing, and I just love it. Um, so I kind of turned it into a tag at the top, and then I used my We Are Memory Keepers to notch the corners. And here it is. So I don't know if I can show the entire, yeah, there we go. So I took some book pages from my stash and I covered parts of it, kind of like in a diagonal. I didn't want to cover the entire thing because I wanted to see parts of the lines and, part of the timesheet in the background. So I didn't want to cover the entire thing. And I inked the edges with my vintage photo and walnut stain. And then this is from an ephemera pack at Hobby Lobby. And I love it because it's so vintage, and I just love how it looks. I added this acetate wreath around it, and you can't really see it all that much, but you can see it here. I had it in my containers, and I'm like, I'm going to use it. I think it'll go. It's neutral. It's silver. I think it's silver. Yeah, I think it's silver, and it kind of goes with it. So it's not. I mean, you can barely see it, but I love it. Then these are more ephemera from Hobby Lobby. Here's a Tim Holtz doll. And then this is from the Joann's ephemera pack. Um, I think this was the gold. It was the wedding. I can't remember what pack it came from, because there was like pastels, and then there were brights, and then there was like a black and white gold set. I forgot, but I wanted something. I don't know why. I think it's because this is like leaves, a wreath, and I wanted something down here, and so I thought that kind of went well with the acetate. I used my speckle stamp all over all over this speckle stamp that from Stampin' Up. It's a really old one. It's a 1997 stamp set, and I used one of my friend Nada's sentiment words, follow your heart, um, and yeah, that is my altered time card. time card for this week. I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of these, but because they're so big, so tall, and I don't, I mean, I would have to make a journal that's bigger, or I don't know. Or this could be just something I send to somebody. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I like it. I think it came out pretty nice, and I even inked the edges on all the ephemera pieces. Um, even the Tim Holtz doll. I didn't color her dress. I didn't think it needed anything other than a little inking on the ends. So that is my card for this week. I want to thank everybody for stopping by, commenting, leaving me sweet comments. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one. Um, and I will be back with another video, guys. Thanks again and have a great week. Bye now.